This is a quick operation of Intelligent Dynamic Dice. You open the app by pressing the icon, and this wheel is what we call a dice wheel. You can see the dice is shown in the middle of the wheel, and the wheel is showing 6 segments representing the 6 sides of the dice. As you can see, each of these segments are of 60 degrees each, making up total of 360 degrees. Hence it is 1 in 6 chance for any number to come as an outcome. Therefore, number 1 or 3 or 5 has about 16.67% chance of it to come out as an outcome. The way to operate or throw the dice is by sliding this bar at the bottom. A righty would scratch this bar from right to left, or a lefty would scratch it from right to left, like that. As you can see, the force with which I scratch the bar makes the wheel turn faster, and that represents that you're throwing the dice higher or lower depending on the force you exert on the dice. So for example, when you turn this wheel and throw the dice is actually showing here that it came to number 3, and the middle part, the dice also shows number 3 as the outcome. Same way, like if you scratch the other way, the outcome is number 6, and the dice also is showing number 6 in the middle. Now this is a regular dice. Now to get the intelligent or dynamic dice, we have designed 12 new wheels for each number to be either a lower probability or a higher probability for its outcome. So in the next wheel, as you can see, number 1's segment is pretty acute, while the rest of them are of this equal amounts but slightly bigger than the number 1 segment. Hence now if you rotate or throw the dice, number 1 can still come, but it is a smaller probability than the rest of the numbers. Here number 5 has come, and the middle part of the dice shows number 5 has come. Now if you want number 1 to be a higher probability, you choose an obtuse angle for number 1, the yellow color, and then you run the dice. So scratch it, and the wheel turns, and the outcome is number 2, the purple color, and the dice is showing number 2 again. So same way, there are wheels for number 3 to be acute, number 2 to be acute, number 2 to be obtuse, so higher probability for number 2. There is a wheel for number 3 to be lower probability, number 3 to be higher probability, number 4 to be lower probability, number 4 to be higher probability, and so on for number 5 and 6. And that brings us to the 13th wheel. So in each game that you are playing, whether it is Monopoly or Ludo or Snakes and Ladders, or it's also nowadays known as Chutes and Ladders, before you throw the dice, you can choose any particular of this dice wheel and try and feel that you have a little more control over the game as opposed to a pure probability. Thank you.